हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एथिक्स एंड फ्रीडम इन एथिकल डिस्क्लोजर. सो एथिक्स इज व्हाट guide us to tell the truth, keep our promises, or help someone in need. There is a framework of ethics underlying our lives on a daily basis, helping us make decisions that create positive impacts. सो एथिक्स क्या करता है? हमें गाइड करता है ट्रूथ के लिए, प्रोमिसेस कीप करने के लिए और किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए. सो एथिकल वैल्यूज़ क्या क्या होते हैं? ऑनेस्टी, ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस, responsibility, etc. It helps to guide along a pathway to deal more effectively with ethical dilemmas by eliminating those behaviors that do not conform to our senses of right and wrong, our best rational interest without sacrificing others. Now, advantages of business ethics: it provides a competitive advantage in terms of customers, improve employee happiness, it attract more investors, reputation, better for society, limited ability to maximize profit, time consuming to implement the practices, legal and regulatory reasons, and legacy. Whatever the industry, an ethical way of doing business can be that company's USP, unique selling point. Nobody want to be partially responsible for any unethical consequences, such as contributing to the deforestation of an area or poverty due to underpaying laborers. This will boost productivity as indicated by a survey in 2005. 36% of people would work harder if they knew their company helped society. Business ethics don't just make current employees want to stay, it can make also give business a competitive edge with regards to employee recruitment. If investors know that the company they work with priorities having high morals and will operate in an ethical way, they will be safe in knowledge that their money is being used in a responsible way. Plus, it means they can be comfortable knowing they are not indirectly contributing to unethical practices. Investors are more likely to continue funding the company. Strong business ethics are also an attractive quality, which means other investors are more likely to be interested in investing their money into the company, keeping its share price high and protecting it from takeover. So, ethical conduct in the workplace encourage a culture of making decisions based on ethics. It also enhances accountability and transparency when undertaking any business decisions. During turbulent times, a strong ethical culture guides you in managing such conflicts by making the right moves. Now, ethical disclosure. Business ethics are beneficial for the company by attracting customers, investors, and employees. When a company cares about its behavior, impact, and environmental footprint, it's also better for the society overall. Ethical conduct in workplace encourages a culture of making decisions based on ethics. It also enhances accountability and transparency when undertaking business decisions. In turbulent times, these ethical decisions guides you in managing such conflict by making right moves. Discourse ethics. Okay, so discourse ethics intend to define the conditions of a free and democratic discourse concerning important norms that affect all members of a community. Discourse refers to analysis of the argumentative processes and rules that must be observed in order to secure fairness and validity of an agreement on moral issues. It aims to do in many ways that are directly practical for the real and pressing problems facing both local and more comprehensive communities. Discourse ethics can be considered as tool through which inconsistent aspects of debate can be scrutinized. The major difference between other forms of ethics and discourse ethics is other forms deliberate on what is good rule. Why should we accept that? Whereas the discourse ethics is concerned with the process of arriving the truth. Thank you.